The Ninja Crispi DualZone 6-in-1 glass air fryer introduces a fresh approach to air frying by combining advanced cooking technology with the convenience of durable glass containers. Unlike traditional air fryers that rely on non-stick coated baskets, this model features two independent 4-quart Clean Crisp glass containers, delivering a total cooking capacity of 8 quarts. As a result, it becomes an excellent choice for families, meal preppers, and anyone who enjoys cooking multiple dishes at the same time. Even better, the glassware is free from PFAS and PTFE, offering a non-toxic cooking surface for greater peace of mind. Since the containers are thermal shock resistant, they can move from the refrigerator to the air fryer in just a few minutes. BPA-free storage lids are also included, making it simple to store leftovers without transferring food into another container. One of the standout features is the innovative DualZone technology, which allows 2 different meals to cook independently at the same time. Instead of waiting for one dish to finish before starting another, users can prepare proteins in one zone and vegetables or side dishes in the other. Furthermore, the Smart Finish feature automatically adjusts cooking time so both foods finish together, even if they require different temperatures or durations. This helps eliminate unnecessary waiting and simplifies meal preparation. For larger batches, the Match Cook function instantly copies the settings from one cooking zone to the other, creating a full 8-quart cooking space with identical cooking conditions. Consequently, this feature is ideal for preparing larger portions for family dinners, parties, or weekly meal prep. Performance is another area where the Ninja Crispi stands out. Powered by a 1,785-watt heating system, it reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for fast and efficient cooking. Moreover, the appliance includes 6 versatile cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, max crisp, dehydrate, and re-crisp. This wide selection allows users to prepare everything from crispy fries and roasted vegetables to homemade jerky, baked treats, and reheated leftovers that taste freshly cooked. Another thoughtful addition is the self-aligning track, which guides the glass containers into place without any guesswork. Heat-safe handles and integrated feet also allow the hot glassware to rest directly on granite, marble, laminate, or butcher block countertops, adding convenience and reducing the need for extra trivets or protective mats during serving. Cleanup is equally impressive. Every removable accessory, including the glass containers, crisper plates, and storage lids, is dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleanup quick and effortless. Overall, the Ninja Crispi DualZone offers an excellent combination of healthy cooking, flexible meal preparation, and user-friendly design. Although the glass containers may be slightly heavier than standard metal baskets, they provide excellent durability, easy food visibility, and chemical-free cooking that many users will appreciate. For households looking for a premium air fryer that prioritizes convenience, versatility, and healthier materials, this model is certainly worth considering. If this review was helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and click the link in the description to learn more about the Ninja Crispi DualZone glass air fryer.